Ready to have fun? Let's get cooking, everyone. Let's start with a smile and make cooking worth your while. Grab a bowl and a spoon, we'll be done soon. First, we mix and we blend with a grown-up as our friend. A pinch of this, a dash of that, stir it up and give a pat. We can bake a treat, oh so sweet, making memories that can't be beat. Cookies, muffins, pies, and more, cooking fun you'll adore. Remember to keep it safe and neat with clean hands and a tidy seat. Cooking's easy, don't you fret, it's a skill you won't forget. So let's get cooking right away, and make today a yummy day. From breakfast to dinner, snacks in between, every meal can be a fun cuisine. Decorate with sprinkles, add some flair, show off your dish with love and care. Share with family, share with friends, and remember, the fun never ends. Plan your next meal, get ready to play, because cooking fun is here to stay. High five for a job well done, cooking together is so much fun. Clean up the kitchen, put things away, and get ready for another cooking day. Before we start, let's make a list of all the things we might have missed. Organize your space, get everything set, measure your ingredients, don't forget. Crack the eggs, add them in, mix it up with a big grin. Pour the batter, fill the molds into the oven, watch it unfold. Watch it rise, see it bake, soon you'll have a tasty cake. Decorate with icing, add some flair, show off your cake with love and care. Share with family, share with friends, and remember, the fun never ends. Plan your next bake, get ready to play, because baking fun is here to stay. High five for a job well done, baking together is so much fun. Clean up the kitchen, put things away, and get ready for another baking day.